Hello viewers, and today I'll be making a permutation tutorial. So before you're watching this video, I advise you to learn the algorithm on like a pencil and paper, and then have the basics of Python down. Because without the basics, it'll be pretty tough to follow along. But with that said, let's get started. So first, we're gonna call. So I'm not gonna really explain. I might explain a little bit, but it's not gonna be super duper explaining, you know. Uh, I just think you have the knowledge to follow along. But I will explain some things. Okay, let's get started. So let's make a function called swap to swap two integers, and we're gonna take the list x and y. Okay, that should be good. Sorry about my voice. I'm just a bit sick right now. Now we're gonna do L of x comma L of y is equal to L of y comma L of x. And then we're gonna, so that's the basic swap. So what this does is it takes that, so it just switches the order of them. So it's a basic swap command. I mean, in the shell, I can quickly show you. So if I put L is equal to, I don't know, 122,3. If I do L of 0, that's going to give me 1. And if I want to swap it with 3, I'll just do L of 0, comma L of 1. So it's equal to, I'm just swapping them, oops, L of 1, comma L, L of 0. And I made a mistake. I'll be swapping the 2, 1 with 2, because 3 would be 2 right here. I would index on 2. So now if you put L, yeah, it swaps 1 and 2. So that's basically it. Now back to our thing. So let's make a let's make our main function called perm. We'll just call it perm short form for permutations. And this will take L, the list, and then I as the arguments, and that should be it. Now we're going to check if I is equal to the length of L. If so, to print L, so that'll be one of the permutations, and we're just going to return, because if you don't return here, it's going to keep on going on. We need it to return at some point. Okay, let's create our else for J and range. Now it's going to go from I to the length of L. Oops. Oh, okay. Now we're going to call the swap. Now this is the core part of the code, just the 3 lines I'll be typing. Swap is one of them. So swap L, comma I, comma J. Now after you watch this video, I advise you to think about this algorithm on pencil and paper, what I'm writing here and what it'll do. And that's how I also learned it. And we're just gonna do call the perm function because it's recursion, and we're gonna increment I, okay? And then finally we're gonna call the swap function again. And yep, that should be it. So now we just need to create our list, I guess. And we'll just do ABC. It doesn't really matter, you can do anything. And we'll just call perm of L. But we gotta give you gotta give a 0 for the I to start with. And just clean this up a little bit. Alright, that looks good. So as you can see, it's a very tiny code actually. At first I thought it would be some big blob of code, but I think it's a pretty small code compared to the other people I saw on YouTube. And yeah, so as you can see, you give all the permutations of ABC. And I can even put D, and I should get like what, 4 factorial, 24 of them? Yep, looks about like, that looks right. I'm not gonna go through every one of them. But yeah guys, simple permutation code. Um, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe for future programming tutorials. And yeah, bye.